Gardening is a rewarding and fulfilling activity that can provide numerous benefits, both physical and mental. Whether you're growing your own food, beautifying your outdoor space, or simply enjoying the therapeutic benefits of being in nature, gardening is a great way to connect with the natural world and improve your well-being. However, creating and maintaining a successful garden can be a daunting task, especially for beginners. In this age of information, there are many resources available to help gardeners of all levels achieve their goals. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can learn how to create a beautiful and thriving garden. Choosing the right plants is a critical factor in creating a successful garden. Different plants have varying needs and requirements, such as sunlight, water, soil type, and climate. It's essential to choose plants that are suitable for the specific growing conditions of your garden, as this can significantly impact the health and growth of your plants. By selecting the right plants, you can help ensure that your garden thrives and provides you with the desired results, whether it's a bountiful harvest of fruits and vegetables, a lush and vibrant landscape, or a peaceful retreat for relaxation and enjoyment. Start by considering your climate and soil type. Some plants are better suited to certain environments than others. Understanding the climate and soil type of your garden is crucial when selecting plants. Some plants are adapted to specific environmental conditions and may struggle or even die if they are grown in unsuitable conditions. For example, plants that require full sunlight and well-draining soil may not thrive in a shady, waterlogged area. By considering your climate and soil type, you can narrow down the options of plants that are best suited for your garden, which can help you make informed decisions and avoid disappointment. It's also important to note that climate and soil type can vary within a single garden, so it's essential to observe and evaluate different areas of your garden to determine which plants will grow best in each location. Research the specific needs of each plant you're considering, such as light requirements, water needs, and growing conditions. Researching the specific needs of each plant you're considering is vital for successful gardening. Each plant has its own set of requirements, including its preferred light exposure, water needs, soil type, and temperature range. Some plants need full sun, while others require partial or full shade. Some plants are drought tolerant and require minimal watering, while others need consistent moisture to thrive. By understanding the unique needs of each plant, you can ensure that you provide them with the ideal growing conditions for healthy growth and maximum yield. In addition to researching the specific needs of each plant, it's also important to consider factors such as plant size, growth rate, and disease resistance, which can impact the overall success of your garden. Take into account the size of your garden and the amount of sunlight it receives. Some plants require full sun, while others thrive in shade. The size of your garden and the amount of sunlight it receives are important factors to consider when selecting plants. Some plants require full sun, which typically means they need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day to thrive. Other plants prefer partial shade or full shade, which means they require less direct sunlight or none at all. It's important to evaluate the amount and intensity of sunlight your garden receives throughout the day, as well as the shade patterns created by nearby trees, buildings, or structures. By understanding the sunlight conditions of your garden, you can choose plants that are best suited to those conditions, which can help ensure optimal growth and yield. Additionally, the size of your garden can impact the number and types of plants you can grow, as larger plants may require more space and resources than smaller ones. Consider the purpose of your garden. Are you looking to grow fruits and vegetables, or are you more interested in ornamental plants? The purpose of your garden is an important factor to consider when selecting plants. Are you looking to grow fruits and vegetables, or are you more interested in ornamental plants? Different plants have different purposes, and understanding the intended purpose of your garden can help you select the appropriate plants. If you're interested in growing your own food, for example, you'll want to choose plants that are edible and nutritious, such as vegetables, fruits, and herbs. On the other hand, if you're interested in creating a beautiful and visually appealing outdoor space, you may want to consider ornamental plants, such as flowers, shrubs, and trees. By considering the purpose of your garden, you can select plants that will not only meet your needs, but also provide you with a fulfilling and enjoyable gardening experience.